Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox another NYX beauty box. This time we will take a look at the bridal beauty collection box. Usually the bridal collection boxes are amazing, the content is great. I hope that this time the box will be as surprising as the previous boxes. As you can see here in the corner, you can write to who the box is addressed. This is the back of the box. In my opinion, is a great present for a bride-to-be. Okay guys, let's discover the products. The first product from the beauty box is from Bondi Sands Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk, rich in vitamin E and aloe vera to help nourish and hydrate your skin. This lightweight, quick-absorbing moisturizer delivers a golden glow all year round. The second product is from Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Gentle Cleansing Gel. Is a gentle facial wash formulated to leave sensitive skin thoroughly cleansed, refreshed and soothed without irritation, tightness or discomfort. Next we find a small size product that I already used. Is from Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. Repairs and strengthens all hair types. Ensure your hair is in a good condition with the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector, designed to repair and strengthen all hair damage, post-coloring or bleaching. Is a pre-shampoo treatment, massage and leave it on for 10 minutes. As I said, I already use it and I like it. Leaves the hair smooth, shiny and soft. Product number 4 now is from L'Occitane Neroli Hand Cream. A warm embrace for your freshly manicured hands. This silky travel size hand cream helps nourish and protect your hands. Infused with neroli and orchid, this delicious smelling cream is a definite handbag essential. I like L'Occitane hand creams. They are nourishing, hydrating and smells lovely. Product number 5 is a fragrance sample from Michael Kors. It's called Gorgeous. Revisit your big day every time you lift the lid of Michael Kors Gorgeous. From captivating notes of jasmine and orange flower to smoky tobacco, this floral woody fragrance knows how to make a head-turning entrance. The sixth product from the beauty box is a mini-size mascara from Benefit. They are real magnet mascara. Is a lengthening mascara with a magnetic force that draws out lashes to extreme length, making them look up to 30% longer. I tried this mascara in the past and is a very good mascara. Next we find a nail varnish from the brand Nails Inc. London, glowing out in the shade Got Me Glowing. Make sure your hands get some serious time in the spotlight with the Got Me Glowing nail polish by Nails Inc. Simply apply 2 coats of this pearlescent pink to your nails and finish with a top coat for long-lasting glossy results. Product number 8 is from Elemis. I know many of you loves it. Is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. It's going to be a long day, so why not prep and hydrate your skin with this nutrient-packed Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. The perfect recipe for a dewy glow. This product contains kombucha, ginger and green tea designed to plump the skin with intense moisture. And the last product from the Bridal Collection beauty box is an ice roller from Brushworks. It's time to take your skincare routine to the next level with the Brushworks Ice Roller. This face massager is designed to depuff and reduce redness. Can be used for rolling serums, moisturizer and face mask into your skin. Okay guys, these were the products from the Bridal Collection beauty box. What do you think? It's a nice box? In my opinion, it is a nice box, but I think the previous Bridal Collection beauty boxes from the Next Beauty was even better. Let me know what do you think about the box in the comment section below this video. And this was everything for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!